It is 11 p.m. The entire city is asleep, yet that's sharp. Blue light is still piercing through your eyes. You are exhausted, your eyes are burning, but your finger continues to scroll. Have you ever wondered why you still do not feel sleepy? In reality, your phone is a high voltage electronic signal to your brain saying, "Wake up." It is still daytime. What we call just one more video is, in scientific term, a biological mistake. You are physically exhausted, but your mind is racing. This digital addiction is not just stealing your sleep, it is murdering it. At the back of your eyes, there are specialized cells called IPRGCS. Their job is not to form images, but to detect the frequency of light. When blue light from a smartphone hits these cells, they send a direct trigger to your brain master clock, the SCN, suprachiasmatic nucleus. As soon as the signal reaches the brain, your pineal gland, which produces the sleepy hormone melatonin, shuts down. Melatonin is often called the vampire hormone because it only emerges in total darkness. As long as that screen light is present, melatonin will not be produced, and without it, your brain will never be ready for deep, restorative sleep. But what happens if you consistently sleep only 4 or 5 hours? The real damage begins while you are supposedly resting. During sleep, our brain activates a glymphatic system that flushes out the toxic waste accumulated throughout the body. When you deprive yourself of sleep, this waste continues to build up. The result: morning brain fog, irritability, and a total lack of focus. In the long term, sleep deprivation slows your metabolism, leading to weight gain, and spikes your stress hormone cortisol so high that you feel constant anxiety. You are not just tired, your body is undergoing an inner breakdown. Escaping this trap is not impossible, it just requires discipline. The first rule, the 90-minute rule. 90 minutes before bed, transition your surrounding into digital twilight. That means phones away and lights dimmed. Replace harsh white lights in your bedroom with warm amber or red tones, which do not disrupt melatonin. If using a screen is unavoidable, wear blue light blocking glasses. Turn your bedroom into a sleepy sanctuary, a place of total darkness and silence. Remember, reading a physical book releases your brain 10 times faster than any Kindle or screen. Sleep is not a waste of time. It is your body's most vital repair workshop. How your next day unfolds is decided tonight at 11 p.m. Will you sacrifice your health for a screen, or will you choose peace tonight? Silence your phone so your mind can stop racing and you can drift into deep sleep, because the secret to a better life is hidden in a better night's rest. Disconnect to reconnect. Good night.